All right, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
My topic is describe a businessman you admire. There are many businessmen in my country, such as Shahid Khan, Malik Riaz, and Muhammad Adil, and so on. But here I would like to talk about Muhammad Adil, and he's in 18, 13, and he look very handsome, and he has a degree of computer engineering, and he has a vision to set up for Pakistan at a high global level, and he built many foundation to which related to computer science, and he improved the youth level, and he believed that the main purpose of the business, and the main purpose of the business to create the wealth and job, and I think he is the very successful businessman in Pakistan, and he is the most richest person in my country, and he come in 18, 10 richest person, and I think I really admire him.
Okay, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Overall, I really appreciate that you continued, you selected a good topic, and you spoke well on that. Mainly, you have grammatical mistakes. The first thing is you're using very basic sentence structure: subject, verb, subject, verb. You said he look, he build, he improve, he come, he go, like that. You're using very basic structure. You should use proper adjectives, adverbs within your sentence as well, and try to make compound sentences. At present, you're making only simple sentences with subject, verb mainly. Another thing is you need to focus your pronunciation. Try to speak clearly, pronounce each word. There are certain stress patterns in English. Focus that as well, and connect your ideas together. Although you spoke for 1 minute 21 seconds, but during this you demonstrated very limited language resources, limited sentence structure, limited vocabulary. So just focus all these things, right? Looking at your present performance, I'll rate you at 5 band.